Hey, this is Ryan with Pro Trailblazer. If you're new to Pro Trailblazer, welcome. Make sure to follow the channel if you're into all things digital creative. And if you're coming back, welcome back. Thanks for supporting the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make blog posts way quicker based on videos that you may have. So this idea popped in my head because of the book Rework. It's an audiobook that I listened to over and over again years ago when I was mowing my lawn. And it basically says use the same work over and over again in different ways. There's a lot of people that aren't looking at one channel. You should publish it on all the channels. It's one of the reasons why I use Sanity for structured content is I have the idea that I'd like to publish on multiple channels and rework the same work. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take a video and we're going to turn it into a blog post using three tools. We're going to use Descript, we're going to use ChatGPT, and then we're going to paste it into a Sanity Studio. All right, let's get into it. Now I've got the Descript website open. If you're unfamiliar with it, Descript does a ton of different things. You can record your voice and create an AI version of your own voice, which is super helpful for making videos. You can use it to transcribe text, and you can use it to edit your videos and do like eye tracking and all this other stuff. As with most products that I pay for, I am also an affiliate for Descript. I tend to always buy the product and sign up for the affiliate account at the same time. So if you do want to try it out, there's a link down in the description. It supports the channel. Thanks a lot for using the link. And I use the $24 a month version. That's the account that I'm on. And I keep it on all year. I pay for it yearly. I use it enough to validate it because I use it for client work and the freelance stuff that I do. All right, if you are following along, once you install it, it'll look something like this. And what you're going to want to do is bring in a video. The video that I brought in is one of my videos about the Cursor text editor that's AI powered. Here it is. So I loaded it up and press transcribe. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of the transcription. I'm then going to go over to ChatGPT, which I have a $20 a month account for that I use. And I tend to use the 01 preview because it is the best in my opinion. But for now, I'm just going to use the GPT-4o because it's very fast. And I'm going to say, hi, I need you to create a blog post based on this video. Make it SEO savvy to find web developers that may want to follow my Pro Trailblazer YouTube channel. And then I'm going to say understand. Now I always do this to start. So I pasted that in and here we are. Right away, it took the transcription style out of it and it's just reworking the process of how I would explain something in a video to you, to someone who isn't watching videos and prefers to read. So let's take a look at how it did. Accelerate your workflow with Cursor, dynamic call to actions in Sanity Studio. In web development, efficiency is key, especially when repetitive tasks takes time away from creativity. In this tutorial, I take the time to leverage Cursor to streamline building dynamic features in Sanity Studio paired with Astro. If you're a web developer looking for ways to save time while maintaining control, this step-by-step guide is for you. And what you're going to learn. So it even goes through the process of saying what you'll learn at the beginning, and then it goes through the step-by-step. So the one thing that I can do is I can take my time to read through it and make sure that it's accurate. This whole thing was automated from getting me from the video to the blog post. I can copy it and then I can go to a Sanity Studio, which Sanity is a place where your content can live and be on any type of a front end. So you can put it in a website, you can use it for your newsletters, you can use it to post to social media. I just spun it up real quick for these tutorials, but it's just an Astro Sanity starter. There's nothing in it. And that's one of the cool things about Sanity is you start with nothing. And then as you populate it, the only stuff that's in it is the stuff that you need versus like everything under the kitchen sink legacy content studios or CMSs. All right, so here we are. So here's my Sanity Studio in all its glory. All it has is a post section, and then I just can create a new post. So I click create a new document. I'm going to minify these so they're not in the way. And then in the body, I'm just going to make this nice and big, and I'm just going to paste it all in. So there we go. Everything looks awesome. Then you got a new blog post. You can put your video right at the top of it, and you've got a great page that's got enough content and a video to actually show up in search. So I'm Ryan, and this is Pro Trailblazer. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel and watching the video.